As we all know by now, yesterday Elon Musk officially restored Trump's Twitter account, pleasing tens of millions of Americans, while tens of millions of other Americans threw their hands up in disgust. The question most people now have is, will Trump actually return to Twitter? Trump, for his part, has said he will not leave Truth Social, but personally, I don't think it's a question of if Trump will return to Twitter, but when, and here's why. Right now, Trump has about 4.5 million followers on Truth Social. That, of course, is a lot of people, assuming they're all real, but it's dwarfed by what he used to have on Twitter, which was more than 80 million followers. And even if we deduct from that number the likelihood that millions of fake accounts followed Trump, we're still looking at a scenario where he had 10 times more followers on Twitter than he currently does on Truth Social. My point is that we simply cannot expect a man with the ego of Trump to not, at some point, return to Twitter. His need to be idolized by others, even worshipped, is part and parcel of his makeup. His narcissism is simply beyond what many of us can understand. I do believe that Trump will, at some point in the near future, come back to Twitter and likely simultaneously post his comments on Truth Social and Twitter. That way he can say he never really left Truth Social, and he will also have the Twitter megaphone. A couple of years back, before Trump even lost his Twitter account, I made a short video about Trump and Twitter and speculated if it could possibly, in some small way, be connected to Revelation 13:3, which talks about the whole world following the beast. In that video, I said that Revelation 13:3 could only be a reference to Twitter, although I'm less sure about that right now. Still, I think it's a fascinating possibility that does merit some consideration. I'll put a link up top to that old video in case you never saw it. In the meantime, let me know your thoughts on Musk reinstating Trump and how soon Trump might return to Twitter. Of course, the ever-evolving Musk-Trump dynamic bears watching as well, as Musk could very well play a role in end times prophecy. Thanks for watching this short video, and as I previously mentioned, I will most likely not be doing longer videos until January due to my work schedule. I will, however, try to post one of these shorter 2-minute or so videos when I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.